Adding sticky notes to your workflows helps you easily note information down and color code branches for simplified navigation. However, the information it supported was too basic, which is why we've increased its capabilities. Let's check the changes. Leave rich annotations to customize your text with all standard options for clearer messaging. Add images, such as your logo or inspirational pictures, directly to your workflows. Enter links or highlight text to connect with external pages and give your team easy access to those resources. Let's learn how to unlock the full potential of workflows with the help of the improved sticky notes. Head to the Workflows tab inside the Automation section and create or edit a standard builder workflow. Click the sticky note icon and select your desired color. Click the pencil icon to edit your note. Customize the sticky note's content to your liking. Once done customizing, simply save your workflow. The power of sticky notes is now on your side, allowing for complete communication and annotation within your workflows. We hope you enjoy it.